This is CBS 4 News, live at 5.
I think you might be planning your Super Bowl party already, and a New Hampshire man really had something to celebrate during this year's game. His very own original commercial will be one of those played.
CBS 4 News continues with Scott Wally and Paula Ebben.
5:42 now. A Portsmouth, New Hampshire man has become an overnight celebrity after winning an NFL contest.
Great idea. He came up with an idea for a Super Bowl ad, and while those hundreds of millions of people are watching, it will be aired during the game. As Karen Anderson shows us, the ad is a funny tribute to the fans.
Most fans watch the Super Bowl for the game, but for some, it's all about the ads.
Hey, buddy.
It's gotten to the point where, even the football fans are just as excited for the commercials as the football game.
And on Super Bowl Sunday, everyone will see a commercial by this Portsmouth fan.
For them to be doing this with mine in a couple weeks is both exhilarating and frightening.
It's called It's So Hard to Say Goodbye.
33-year-old Gino Bono entered an NFL Super Bowl commercial contest. He had 90 seconds to pitch his idea. Fans dealing with the disappointment of the season's end.
And then next is the San Francisco 49ers chair, the inflatable kind, with the air being let out.
And of course, there's a Pats fan.
A Patriots fan, head to toe, in the shower with his face paint, slowly, sadly, washing it all off.
This father of two, who's the director of sales for a marketing firm, drew on his own experience for the idea.
Your Sundays, instead of sitting around with your friends all day and night and watching football, is now, you're mowing the lawn and doing chores.
But I don't know anybody that puts themselves out there like he does all the time. And for me, it's like, oh yeah, here we go again. But this time it really happened,
Honey, are you crying?
Trust me, I've not always succeeded, but this time I did, and that's pretty cool.
In Portsmouth, Karen Anderson, CBS 4 News.
Good for him. Gino heads to L.A. to shoot the ad next week, and then it's on to the big time, the Super Bowl for him.
It'll be fun to watch for it.
Yeah.
It'll be, $3 billion for a 30-second spot
right.
this year.
Good idea.